Hi, my name is Ty-Sheanna, and I am registered with the Apprenticeship for Iredell.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm a CNA registered apprentice through Iredell Health System.
Hello, I'm Andrew Ocampo. I'm a CNA registered apprentice with Iredell Health System.
Hi, my name is Yasmyn Moore. I am a CNA registered in the apprenticeship program at Iredell.
Hi, I'm Kathleen Cranford. I am a CNA registered apprenticeship with Iredell Health System.
I was talking to some of the nurses about becoming a CNA, and then they was the ones who actually told me about the apprenticeship. And so I think I was like the last day to apply. So I ended up applying. You know, I don't really have much of like a medical background, but this is just something that I know I just want to do. And so I got in, and I was grateful for it.
I've been wanting to be a CNA for years when I was in high school, and when I saw this opportunity, I was like, I gotta go for it.
So I actually learned through one of my coworkers. She told me about it. She saw it on iConnect. I've always wanted to do a CNA program, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity, so I applied.
Well, it's always been a dream of mine when I was a little girl to be a nurse, and when I seen that Iredell was offering the apprenticeship program to employees already here, I knew I had to jump on board to already get my CNA under my belt so I could then further my education and to becoming a registered nurse.
I have been feeling led that I needed to go back to school for some time. I specifically want to go into the nursing program, and when I saw the opportunity that Iredell posted for us to do the CNA program through the apprenticeship, I just knew it was the door that I needed to take, and I was very thankful for Iredell opening that door.
It's a fast-going class.
How fast the class was?
The pace of the class is really fast-paced, a lot of work you have to do, but it really prepares you for clinicals.
You learn so much. It's patient care, but there's so much heart to it. You're learning the basics and the foundation of nursing.
It's a good stepping stone to continue my education.
Patient care. I'm finally able to work in the hospital with patients and be able to help them and get them everything they need. That's very exciting for me. I've always wanted to work with patients and do patient care, and now that I'm actually able through with Iredell with the apprenticeship program, it's very fulfilling for me.
Something that excites me from the class is the professor and the classmates. They really support you and help you throughout the course.
It has just been an eye-opener to what all is out there to do. Our wonderful teacher has told us of all the different avenues that we can go down with nursing and medical field and all the opportunities even at Iredell, and it's really exciting to know that it's not just being a nurse, it's not just patient care, there's so much more to it, and when it's what you're called to do, you just know you have to follow, and I'm really excited for it.